Pretty fast, kid, but not fast enough.
Drop it. This is a prototype cold gun. 4 times the size, 4 times the power.
I was wondering who you were talking to.
Hey, unless you want to taste your own medicine, I'd back the hell up.
Your hands are shaking. You've never killed anyone.
It's the first time for everything, Captain Cold. I will shoot you.
You win, kid. I'll see you around.
Hey, leave the diamond.
Don't push your luck.
Couldn't shoot him if I wanted to. This is actually the Star Labs vacuum cleaner. With a lot of LEDs.
Get you warm.
Thank you.